In this tutorial, we're going to explore the top 7 alternatives to Microsoft Office that offer unique features, flexibility, and are completely free to use. And they are very perfect for all your document needs. Whether you are a student, a professional, or a casual user, these tools have something for everyone. So without taking much of our time, let's get started. So the first one that I have on my list is WPS Office Suite, which is a very powerful and versatile office suite that serves as a great alternative to Microsoft Office. It offers 3 main applications: the writer, the spreadsheet, and presentations. And sometimes it even offers the forms that you can use as an alternative to Microsoft Forms. So they are fully compatible with Microsoft Word that you have, the Excel, and the PowerPoint formats. It has a very user-friendly interface, cloud integration, and a range of features like PDF conversions and templates. WPS Office is an excellent choice for everyone looking for a free and efficient office solution. So to access WPS Office Suite, all you need is to come to anywhere within your browser, just come to the search bar and just type in Google, and you can just go ahead and type in WPS Office just like so, and hit on enter, and you'll be brought in over to this very platform. Free Office download for Mac, PC, and even a mobile operating system with AI. So you can click and it will bring you over to this very platform. Of course, you have to log in, then you can just go ahead and click to download it. It's free to download and install on your system, and regardless of which operating system you're using, it even have the mobile version of it, so you can just go ahead and download and install. You can decide to have a look at what they do and what are some of the latest displays as regards this very feature. So I've downloaded and installed mine, and let's try to open it and see what we can do with WPS Office Suite. So this is it over here. Once you click, you'll be welcome to this very platform. Like I said, you have the cloud version, and then you can have access to the docs where we have everything that we need to start the platform. Just simply looks like the way you have the Microsoft Office. So you have the recently used, you have the templates over here. You can click and open from templates, or you can upload your own or open your own existing Microsoft Word document, or you can start from blank sheet by just clicking on this. And you'll be welcome to this very platform. You can see the looks of the entire platform is just like the way you have in the normal Microsoft Office. You can do everything that you can do in Microsoft Office. You can write anything, and you can select and do quite a lot of things from here in terms of the editing. So you can change the font style, the sizing, and so on. You can do quite a lot of things as regards this. Okay, I've made a complete tutorial also about how to use WPS Office Suite. Maybe I will link it up in the description so you can follow through. But this platform gives you what you need as a very good alternative to Microsoft Word. So you can always come back to the menu. You can come back to the cloud, WPS Cloud here, and you can have access to slides just like the way you have the presentations. You can have the templates as well, and you can start from blank also if you're interested. You can go ahead and generate your slides just like the way you do generate your slides in PowerPoint. You can see you have all the features. You have some transitions over here, as well as other features like you can insert things, you can insert charts, WPS adds shapes, and so on. You can insert different things, pictures, tables. You can add different things directly from here. So it's very cool, and you can add transitions, designs, just like the way you do have in Microsoft PowerPoint. So we can come back and you can have access to the Excel part also. You can see you can start from templates, or you can start from blank sheet, or you can open directly from your system. So here also you have access to all the features just like the way you do have in normal Microsoft Excel, where you have the cells and you can type in anything you want within the cells, and you can be able to adjust or write different kind of formulas or different kind of expressions or solve for anything over here. All right, so this is my first choice, WPS Office Suite. It is very popular, and it has the mobile version as well. All right, so the next one that I have is called Libre Office. This is a robust and open source office suite that is widely regarded as one of the best free alternatives to Microsoft Office. LibreOffice supports a wide range of formats, including Microsoft Office files, making it a versatile option for both personal and professional use. With its active community and regular updates, LibreOffice offers a comprehensive solution to all your office needs. To access LibreOffice, open any of your browser, come over to the search bar and just type in Google, and you can go ahead and search for LibreOffice just like so and hit on enter. You'll be brought in over to this very platform. It's a free and powerful office suite and a successful and a successor to OpenOffice that is commonly known. So you can click over here to access it. You can come to libreoffice.org. You'll still be brought in over to this very platform. Now to download, you can come all the way here. You can download LibreOffice directly, and it's available for all the versions of the operating system. You can specify your operating system over here, whether Windows, Mac, Linux, depending on 64-bit or 32-bit, you can have the operating system that you have. But automatically, it's going to detect which operating system you're using, and it's going to give you that version. So I'm going to click to download and install mine on the system. I've done that. I have it installed on my system. As a matter of fact, I've made a complete tutorial about how to use LibreOffice. It's a complete course. I will leave the link in the description so you can access it and even go through it for free. Okay, so at the moment I've downloaded mine, so you can come all the way to the launch pad. You can see, you can search for LibreOffice and you see it over here. You can just click to open and you can see it over here. Right now, these are recent documents that I've created, I've worked on in LibreOffice, and over here you have the different features. You have the writer where you can do your Microsoft Word writing. Okay, you can see the platform. Just like the way you have in Microsoft Word. Most of the features you see here are also available in Microsoft Word. So you can write anything that you're interested in writing, and you can hit on enter to continue writing, and you have all of these features. You can have editing, you can have equations, favorites, you can have insert links and so on. And when you select anything, you can always find the properties of it by the side here, and you can access, change the font styles, different types. You can change the font styles, you can change the font sizes, and you can do quite a lot as regards paragraphing. You can align center, left, right, and change coloration, italize, bold, and so on. You have all of these features to yourself. And additionally, you have the option to switch between the text editing, which is the Word alternative. You can as well move to spreadsheet directly, and it is just going to open the spreadsheet platform that you can do all of your things just like the way you do in Microsoft Excel. Like we said, look at how I'm entering my data in the Excel. You can enter them equally as well, and you have all the editing features at the top here, just like the way you have in the Microsoft Excel. So one thing that I like about it is from any of the platform you can navigate to whichever of the platform that you're interested in. All you need is just to come down here. Now, if you want to access the presentation, which is called the Impress, you can always come over here, you click, and it will just navigate you to the presentation option. So you have the option to start from template if you're interested in starting from template, or you can go ahead and start your presentation afresh if that is what you want. So these are slides. You can always add the slides and go on, and you have the option to move and edit things. You can have slide properties, slideshow options from here, or you have format options. You can of course select from here and do quite a lot of things. You can bring in different features, different shapes, and you can insert different tables, display views. However you want it, you can actually use it directly. You can insert charts, you can insert images, tables, and so on. This is very, very interesting if you want to start using it as an alternative to Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office. You can as well click and you have other features, like you have the formula where you can write all the formula, all the equations that you need to write in any of your document. You can write it here, or you can have the drawing where you can draw any kind of things like the flow chart. You can access you can write you can draw flow chart, or any kind of drawing that you want to draw within your Microsoft Word. You can draw it from this platform. All of the features are there, and you can just go ahead and copy and paste within your text document or the LibreOffice writer. Okay, this is very powerful and very interesting. So the next one is called Only Office. It's a modern and versatile office suite that stands out as a strong alternative to Microsoft Office. It offers powerful tools for document editing, spreadsheets, and even presentations. So you can bring in documents from Microsoft Office formats and even save documents out of Only Office in different formats. So whether you choose the cloud version or the desktop application, Only Office is designed for seamless collaboration. It's making it perfect for teams and individuals who need a flexible and efficient office solution. So it's very free to use and is one of the best alternatives that I've found to Microsoft Office. So to access Only Office, all you need is to come anywhere within your browser. Just type in Google and just search for Only Office, just like so, and you can hit on enter. And it will bring you over to this very platform. Offers a secure online office suite, highly compatible with MS Office formats. You can connect and download, even you have the mobile application, even you have the desktop application. So you can just click on the first option. You'll be welcome to this very platform. So you can just go ahead and explore the website to see what they have, okay, what kind of products and features they do have. For this tutorial, you can just go ahead and say get it now, and it's going to download the desktop application for you, so you can just install. Installation is very free and direct. Once you install, you will have it over in your launchpad. You can always come to your launchpad, and you can see mine now that I have just installed Only Office. So you can click and you have access to the Only Office, and you can just start creating a document and editing them however you want them. So in my own case, let's say you can see right now you have the document, you have the spreadsheet, you have presentation, and even PDF form you can create directly using this very platform. So once you click on the first one, let's explore the document. You can see it has opened the Microsoft Word version of it. So just like the way you do have in Microsoft Word, you can see that most of the features are nearly similar. You have the home tab over here, and you can insert things, you can draw things, you can have the layout, just like the way you have in Microsoft Office. You can see collaborations, predictions, protections, you can have view options, you can change all of this. But mostly at the home tab, you have the option to start writing things and editing them accordingly. You can highlight things, and you can come over here, change quite a lot of things from the font style to font sizes. You can change everything accordingly as you so wish, and the details you can just explore and see which ones you can work with directly. You have other options also from here. All right, so this is the Only Office Word version, Word feature. You can come over here and you can access the spreadsheet as well. You can see the looks and feel just like the way you do have in Microsoft Excel. Even the looks is similar and it's nearly the same thing. Okay, so you can see this is the free version if you don't want to spend your money on the Microsoft Office, because right now it is getting more expensive by the day. You can always use the alternative and they give you the same result. You can as well just work online or even on your system, and you can export the content that you've created with them. So lastly, we have the presentation. You can click and you can even see and feel the looks that it has. Even the coloration and everything looks like the way we do have in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so you can look at it, you can have the basic things, basic editing things, you can insert things, you can draw things, you can have transitions, most of the transitions that we have, and you have animations. Even the looks and text and everything looks like the ones we have in Microsoft Office. You can collaborate as well. You talk about protection and the view options. You can always come back to the home and type things directly. Okay, so you can create your presentations here, and then you have even the option to go on and create the PDF forms if that is what you're interested in creating. You can as well click to create the PDF forms, and you can see you have all of the basic things you need to start creating your forms directly. Okay, and at any given point you can export your document in different formats. You can always come to File, and you can say save as, okay, and you can define the format in which you want to save. You can see you can save in PDF, you can save in the docs, where you can save in Microsoft Office directly. Okay, so this is my third option. Alright, so my next choice is Google Workspace applications, including Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Google Workspace offers a cloud-based alternative to Microsoft Office that is perfect for collaboration and productivity. It is accessible from any device with an internet connection. These tools allow real-time editing, sharing, and as well as teamwork, making them ideal for remote work and even group projects. So to access Google Workspace applications, you can just be on the Chrome browser and you can access it from any of the applications, whether you are on Google or on Gmail or on your Google Drive. For example, if we can see we are on Google Drive directly right now, we can access Google Workspace applications by just coming to these Google apps. We can click here and you can see them. Main target is because we are targeting alternatives to Microsoft Office, which includes the basic ones, Docs, Slides, as well as Spreadsheet or Microsoft Excel. So the Docs version, you can access it from here by just coming and clicking it here. Mind you, alternatively here, you can even reshuffle and change their positions. Can access from here, or you can come to new here and then you can access directly the sheets, the Google Docs directly from here. So you can click and you can open a blank sheet if you want to open a blank sheet, or you can as well come over back here and then come over here and you can see, you can just go ahead and click on the sheets directly from here and it's going to open Google Docs platform directly. So what you can see over here, you can see we have the templates. You can open from templates, or you have existing documents that you are working on and then you can create a blank document as well from here. Or alternatively, you can just still come here and click on just type in docs.google.com and it will bring you over to this same platform. You can create a fresh blank document and you can see you have most of the features that you have, but some of them you have to access them directly. So if you are starting to write, you can write anything directly and you can edit. You have you can select things and do basic editings. You can even rename these documents and call it trial 1, for example, and then you can choose where to save it. Is it on Drive or somewhere within the cloud? Okay, so you can have the option to deal with so many things here on the Docs. And one of the key advantages of this is that it even have the Gemini attached to them. Google has incorporated the Google Gemini on all of their platforms. So you can have access directly, brainstorm ideas, create online, write documents, and directly copy and paste directly into the Docs document platform. Okay, so this is Docs. If you want to access the other ones, you can always come. For example, you can say sheets.google.com and it will still bring you over to the Google Sheets where you can continue to work on your documents directly. So this is the Google Sheets. You can see we have the previous sheets that you've worked on. You have the template and you can as well start from scratch or from a blank sheet. And you can see over here also you can name your sheets or document that you're working on, and you can as well work with the cells to create your document or anything or any kind of spreadsheet application that you are looking out to create. Okay, so very easily you can do that, and it equally has the Google Gemini incorporated in it, and you can ask questions. You can ask the AI to explain trends or to explain the tables and so on. You can do that directly from here. And then the last one is the slides.google.com. So you can go to slides.google.com and it will bring you over to the same platform. You can see we have the sample templates that you can create your slides from directly, or you can work on available ones that you've recently generated, or you can create a blank one and then continue to work on your own and see how you can create your slides. And regardless of whatever you create, you can always export your document in different formats, and then that is compatible with Microsoft Office platforms. You can download in PDF or in PPT, so you can work with Microsoft Office, or you can come in the Word version. You can download in the Docs as well, so you can directly open in Microsoft Word. So this is my fourth choice. Alright, Alright, so the next one that I have is Open Office. This is a reliable and free office suite that has long been a popular alternative to Microsoft Office. It includes a full range of tools such as Writer for word processing, Calc for spreadsheet, and Impress for presentation. So just like LibreOffice. Open Office is compatible with many file formats including Microsoft Office files. It is continuously improved by a dedicated community, making it a solid choice for both home and business owners. So to access Open Office, all you need is just to open your browser, come anywhere within the search bar, and just type in Google, and then you can just go ahead and search for Open Office just like so and hit on enter, and you'll be brought in over to this very platform. It's called Apache Open Office, the free and open productivity. So you can click to open the first one, and once you're here, you can just come over here and say I want to download the Open Office. So you can click, and you can see over here it is available for all the operating systems. You can see it's available for Linux, both 64 and 32-bit operating systems, Windows as well as a Mac operating system. So for this case, I am using Mac operating system. Okay, so I'm using Mac operating system, so you choose the one that you want, and then you can just go ahead and download. Downloading is free and it's very easy to use. Installation is as well free and very direct to use. So I've done mine, so let me just go ahead and open it, and let's explore some of the features that you can use in Open Office. This is the plan maker, it's free. This is the presentations, which is free, and this is the text maker as well, which is very free as well. Okay, so this is it. Let me just click to install it. Okay, so I can just drag and drop. So right now it's been installed. Let me close this, and then you can come over to Launchpad, and you can see it over here. This is Open Office, so you can click to open. Alright, so once you open Office, this is the platform that you'll be welcomed with. Open Office 4. It has a text presentation, spreadsheet presentation, as well as drawing, database, and formula, as well as some range of templates. So it's up to you to go on and try whichever one you want to try. So the text document, you can double click on it, and it's just like the Microsoft Word alternative. You can see it over here with all the features that you need to start. Right, you can click here you can come over here to be able to see some of the other features. But then this is your text, this is your paper size. You can as well reduce the sizing down here to be able to see it clearly, and you can just go ahead and write anything. You can write anything to write, and you can select and edit things directly from here. You have the properties panel over here. You can centralize, you can align, you can justify, you can bold, you can italize, you can underline, you can change the font sizes, and you can as well change the sizing as well if you're interested. Right, so quite a lot of controls that you can have on your own. And then over here you can save, kind of open an existing document if you have, and then you can probably open from here. You can navigate to the other platforms as well. So for example, if I want to move in from the Word document to spreadsheet, I can just click, and you can see it's just brought me back to the spreadsheet where I have cells, and I can deal with different kind of things that has to do with the cell. Alright, so over here you can type in different things. You can add in all what you need to add, and then you can have all of the basic controls that you need. And in terms of properties as well, you have them by the side over here. You have quite a number of things that you can look into to explore and have a good experience with the use of this platform. But then you can see over here you can plot charts of different types. You can go ahead and add in the data, and you can plot bar charts, pie charts, area charts, line chart of different sorts, and you'll have your results directly printed over here. So this is very basic. Probably I will have a complete tutorial on how to use this and then put it up in the description. But for now, you can use this as a spreadsheet, and if you're done, you can always come back here and you can explore the presentation also. Empty presentation or from a template, you can specify which one that you want from a template or recommended of a strategy, or open existing presentation if you have any. Let's say we'll go with putting an empty presentation. You can go to next and specify what kind of slides you want. Okay, the presentation background, you can see them from here, and then you can choose from the available ones. You can see many of them that you can choose from and create your presentation. But very perfect and very nice. You can see it has some fantastic templates or background templates that you can use. You can choose from the layout, what type of presentation you are trying to create, and so on, and you can just go ahead and start directly. So you have quite a number of controls, and as well as the basic thing you can use as regards the presentation. You can have slideshow over here. You can start your slideshow, you have tools, you have formats, and you can insert different things, pictures, tables, movie and sounds and so on, just like the way you do in your normal Microsoft Word document. All right, so you can go ahead and explore and try on your own, and even explore the other ones, the formula, the drawings. Okay, you can explore them and see what you can do with them and what are some of the basic things you can create with this. But it's very, very fantastic, and it's a wonderful alternative to Microsoft Word. Okay, so the next one is called Free Office. Okay, this is a lightweight and fully featured office suite that serves as a great alternative to Microsoft Office. It includes text maker for word processing. Android, you can find it, but then you can go ahead and explore. It will automatically detect what kind of operating system you are working on, and it will give you the download for that particular operating system. Mine is Mac operating system, and it has detected it easily, and then I can just go ahead and click on this to download. I've downloaded and installed mine, so just please feel free to go ahead and download and install yours. Downloading is free. Installation is also very easy. You can just do that and just get back. So once you finish the download, let me open mine. You can see them over here. This is Plan Maker free. This is Presentations free, and this is Text Maker free, just like the Word, PowerPoint, and Excel that we've explained. So when you click to open the Text Maker, you'll be welcome over to this very platform. So this is your paper, and you can see the looks is similar to what we have in Microsoft Word. You can type anything that you want. You can type as many things, and you can even copy text from somewhere and come and paste it here. You can work with it directly. So much to do. You can copy text from somewhere. For example, let's go back here and maybe copy something simple from one of our platforms. All right, so you can do quite a lot. You can select, you can bold, italize, and underline things. You can change the font styles of different types. You can change the font sizes of different types if you're interested. You can align, change the alignment, paragraph options, and so on. Style search. You can come all the way. You can insert tables. You can see pictures, page break, and so on. Even the looks is similar to those of Microsoft Word. You can see you can change the page size and the orientation of the page. You can do landscape and portrait, margins. You can define all these references. You have quite a number of things, and at the end of it all, if you want, you can save in different formats. You can come over to File, and for example, this is Save As, and then you can go ahead and say you want to save in different formats. You can specify from these available formats. Very easy, and this is very fantastic. So this is the Text Maker, which is the Word alternative. Let's try the other one. This is PowerPoint. You can just click. You can say okay to this. Oh, this is text. Okay, the Plan Maker. Okay, this is the text. You can name it, and you can see even from the looks, it simply looks like the Microsoft Excel that you do have. You can add in different things depending on what you are trying to create, and you can see you have all the control features in Microsoft Excel. You can do conditional formatting, you can add borders, shades, and so on. You can see quite a number of them. You can insert things directly. You can check out layout if you're interested in formulas, and you can check data, or you can add data directly. Okay, so you can have review and view options. You can change all of these, but quite a lot of things, a lot of controls in the main home tab. Okay, you can see you can insert different kind of equations and different kind of charts and so on. All right, you can insert different kind of you can make it insert tables, copy cells, move cells, and so on. Quite a number of controls that you can deal with from here. The last one is the PowerPoint, which is the Presentation Maker. You can just try to open it, and you can see even the looks and feel is just like the way you have in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is your slideshow. This is slides. You can always right click to add slides, slide design, slide layout, change the colors, theme, background, and so on. Can add different kind of things. You can copy and paste things. You can check out the layouts that you have, just like the way you have in Microsoft PowerPoint. You can have the manage things. You can create slides from here. You can duplicate slides, rename slides. You can add different kind of things, slides, and so on. You can change font sizes of text, font styles, and so on. You can add objects, pictures, text theme, auto shape, line, and so on. Different types. You can see them. You can just go ahead and explore. You can insert images, change the designs, and so on. You have transitions of different types. In cases if you want to insert transitions, you have animations of different types when you want to animate. and then you have slideshow option. You can set up the slideshow from here and so on. Have view options, you can change and enable different kind of things. So this is very basic, and this is one of the best ones that I have used, and I really enjoy it. Alright, so the next one is Zoho Office. It's a comprehensive cloud-based office suite that offers powerful tools for word processing, spreadsheets, and presentations. As part of the broader Zoho ecosystem, it integrates seamlessly with other Zoho applications, making it an ideal choice for business and teams. Zoho Office provides a flexible and efficient alternative to Microsoft Office. Whether you are working within a group or within students, you can be sure of the quality of what you can produce with Zoho Office. So to access Zoho Office, all you need is to come anywhere within your browser, go to the search bar and just type in Google, and you can just search for Zoho Office just like so and hit on enter. Brought in over here, you can see a powerful online suite for modern teams, and you can just click on this first option to bring you over here so you can explore what they have and what they can do, what you can use Zoho to do. Like I said, it's very rich in the basic ones. You can have Zoho Writer, Zoho Sheets, and Zoho Show, which is the Word, Excel, and the Microsoft PowerPoint alternatives. So let's try any of them. You can just click on the Zoho Writer, for example. You can say start writing, and you brought in over to this very platform. So the first thing is you can see some of the documents you have been working on. You can see shared with me, favorites, assign tasks to you, which is for teamwork, document template, and so on. You can create a new document directly from here, or you can upload an existing document or import from cloud drives if you have any. Let's say we'll go ahead and say create a new document. You can start from templates or from blank sheet. So let's say from blank sheet, and once you're here, you can see the look and feel of the platform. It's very nice. Once you hit on type the /, you can see you can do a lot of controls from here. You can type in, you can just start typing your things. All right, you can move from page to page, and you can even have the AI to help you write. And then over here you can click on these 3 lines and to expose the main format and properties of the text for you, so you can have all of the features that you need. For example, the font style, the font sizes can increase or decrease with these features, the bolding, italicizing, and so on, and many paragraph controls down here. You have the insert features. You can insert tables, images, drawings, text, and so on. You can insert them directly from here. And you have the fields option. Okay, you have the design option, and you have the page setup controls, as well as the view controls, and many more. You can just go ahead and explore, but the looks is very nice, and it can give you a wonderful experience if you have not used it before. You can just go ahead and create a name for it, and you can save it on the cloud to have access to it at any given point. So the Zoho Office is trying to mimic or come up with something similar to Google. So from here as well, you can navigate to the other platforms. For example, you can come over from here, and you can go to spreadsheet directly, and it will bring you over to the Excel platform. You can say new spreadsheet, and it's going to just quickly start a spreadsheet for you. Okay, you can see also from the looks and feel of it also is just like the way you do have your normal Excel sheet. Okay, you can name it, and you can have different kind of things, all the controls that you need, have the file options, the view options, the insert options. It's similar, very similar to what you have in Microsoft Excel. You can deal with chart, column charts, tag columns, and so on, and select on any of them. You can go ahead and explore, add your data, and start exploring directly. Okay, it's very wonderful. You can insert your tables and so on. And from here as well, let's go back to the main home tab, and then you can navigate to the show, which is the Google Microsoft PowerPoint alternative, to just bring you over here, and you can see existing presentations, recent presentations if you have any, and then you can just go ahead and create a new one if you want to kickstart a new presentation. All right, so you can start from templates because there are quite a number of templates over here. If you're interested, you can just select any of them, and you can use as your own templates, or you can name your presentation, and then you can just go ahead and select a theme and just go ahead and say open. All right, so you can see the theme that you have. You can do quite a lot as regards the content. You can add slides from here. You can add in text, media, shapes, images, videos, and so on. You can add shapes of different types. You can see them directly. You can add data charts of different types, tables and so on. Diagrams you can add of different types depending on what you are trying to do. And you have some add-ons here. You can have the animations and even the different types of animations that you can use from here, and you can have some controls as regards how the animations is going to be. You have view the slides and so on, add comments so you can connect, collaborate with people easily. You can have files and all of the basic features. You can access them directly. You can download your presentation as PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint presentation or thereabout. So this is very wonderful. Just go ahead and explore. You can play your presentations also from here, from beginning or from the presenter, using the presenter view and so on. So just go ahead, explore it and see what you can do to enhance your productivity in the document creation. Alright, so this concludes this tutorial about the top 7 alternatives to Microsoft Office, top 7 free alternatives to Microsoft Office that you can try on your own and explore your productivity with them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.